We will now present the visualization tool of the Hyperdoc database. You can either click directly on the visualization tool icon or send the cube you have just created using the drop-down menu of the cube you want to visualize from the cube list. In the top right corner, you can see a plot used to display different types of spectra, and the blue curve corresponds to the pixel of the cube located at the mouse position. Let's now load other examples using samples from our database. As soon as a cube is loaded, the software automatically checks whether a cropped cube corresponding to another spectral range is present in the same folder. It also looks for the ground truth, and if it exists, it is automatically displayed in this panel. If the software cannot find the ground truth automatically, you can load it manually by clicking on the Search GT in Files button. In the spectral plot window, you can see the different materials that were identified in this sample when the ground truth was created, and we still see in blue the spectrum corresponding to the pixel under the mouse cursor. You can enable or disable the automatic display of the spectrum following the mouse position by checking or unchecking the Live option. You can also visualize the standard deviation of the spectra corresponding to the materials identified in this sample. If many materials are present, you can choose to show or hide specific material spectra by clicking on the corresponding line in the legend. You can load a new cube by clicking on the Open Cube button, or more quickly, by using the small arrows that allow you to browse through the files in the folder. At the bottom of the visualization window, you will find a slider that allows you to overlay the ground truth transparently on top of the RGB false color cube. In the bottom right corner, metadata are displayed. Using the menu, you can select a metadata field and read the associated information. By clicking on See All, you can display all metadata at the same time. Some large metadata fields are hidden by default. To display them, simply check the box at the bottom of the drop-down panel. In the center, a radio button allows you to select the active cube. This corresponds to the cube linked to the displayed metadata and to the visualization settings. You can save the currently displayed cube image by clicking on Save Images, using PNG or JPEG formats. The Save Spectra button allows you to save the spectrum either as an image or as a table of numerical values. This concludes the presentation of the visualization tool. Thank you, and see you soon in the next video.